Hi, welcome to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, we are discussing about Docker. The main agenda is in this video, what is Docker and why we can use for Docker and what can I use Docker for, where is Docker used, and also we can use what is container and what is Dockerfile. We can discuss in this video, and also I will show you how to installation of Docker on Ubuntu Linux machine. I will show you in this session. The what is Docker? Docker is an open platform for developing and shipping and running application. It uses a technology called containers. Containers package your application along with everything it needs, like libraries, configuration files, and dependencies into a single unit. This makes it possible to run your application on any system without worrying about differences in operating systems or software versions. In simple way, we can discuss about Docker makes your applications portable and consistent and easy to deploy from your laptop to production servers. Why we are using Docker? We use Docker to make our application easy to run anywhere, whether it's on a laptop or a server on the cloud. It separates the app from the system so it behaves the same in every environment. Docker also helps us build, test, and deploy code faster, reducing the time between writing code and running it in production. And the best part, Docker allows us to manage infrastructure just like we manage code. That means we can use version control to track changes, create repeatable builds that allows work with the same, use automation tools to deploy and scale quickly. In simple words, we can say Docker makes software delivery faster, consistent, and reliable. What can I use Docker for? That means fast, consistent delivery of your application. We can discuss about this. Docker streamlines the development lifecycle by allowing developers to work in standardized environment using local containers, which provides your application and services. Containers are great for continuous integration and continuous delivery workflows. Consider the following example. Your developers write code locally and share their work with their colleagues using Docker containers. They use Docker to push their application into a test environment and run automated and manual tests. When developers find bugs, they can fix them in the development environment and redeploy them to the test environment for testing and validation. When testing is complete, getting the fix to the customer is as simple as pushing the updated image to the production environment. Responsive deployment and scaling. Docker containers based platform allows for highly portable workloads. Docker containers can run on a developer's local laptop, on physical or virtual machine in data center, on cloud providers, or in a mixture of environments. Docker's portability and lightweight nature also it makes easy to dynamically manage workloads, scaling up or tearing down application and service as business need to detect in near real time. Running more workloads on the same hardware, Docker is lightweight and fast. It provides a viable, cost-effective alternative to hypervisor-based virtual machines, so you can use more of your servers capacity to achieve your business goals. Docker is perfect for high-density environments and for small and medium deployments where you need to do more with fewer resources. The main what is Docker and Dockerfile? What is container? Container is lightweight, portable unit, includes your app, libraries, and system tools. It runs the same way on any system, laptop, server, or cloud. Container helps solve it works on mission problems. What is Dockerfile? A Dockerfile is a script with a step-by-step instruction to build a Docker image. It defines the base image, dependence code, and commands to run. This is the example to create the Docker file. And after that, where is Docker is used? Mostly Docker will use DevOps pipelines, cloud deployments, and microservices architectures, testing, and CI/CD. I take the reference from this official website. If you want to know about more about Docker, so you will visit this website. You will get more information. And also I will show you how to installation Docker on Ubuntu Linux machine. This is the official website. I'm installing on Ubuntu Linux machine. If you want to install any operating system, operating system. You can choose here like Debian, RHEL, Fedora. You can choose any operating system. In my case, I will installation Docker on Ubuntu Linux machine. This is the commands I run on my local machine. I run this all commands on my Ubuntu Linux machine. So I will show you here. See, this is the apt-get update and another commands. I will show you. This is the apt installed keyrings and curl and ch mode. So this I run this all the commands. Sudo apt-get update. So you can run same like this. What they are mentioning in the guidelines. You can run these commands on your Ubuntu Linux machine. Once you run this all the commands, then you can install the Docker by using this apt install Docker C, Docker CL container. So I run this command on my Ubuntu Linux machine. Once it is done all the settings and run the commands. So I install the Docker. So I check the version by using Docker hyphen version. So it will show the latest version is Docker version 24.05 and I'll run simple Dockerfile. This is simple running image. Hello Docker run world. So I run this command. It takes time to download it, the image. If you check the list of images, Docker image ls, this is the image of hello world. Thanks for watching. This is the way of installation of Docker and about this Docker. If you have any queries, please keep in comment section. Thank you. Next video I will show you how to install, how to use Docker basic commands. Thanks for watching and please comment if you have any queries.